Which act in India directly addresses occupational lung diseases like pneumoconiosis? The Factories Act 1948, the Mines Act 1952, the Employees Compensation Act 1923, the Employees Provident Funds and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952.
The Mines Act, 1952. The Mines Act, 1952, directly addresses occupational lung diseases like pneumoconiosis through its provisions related to health and safety in mines. It mandates specific measures to prevent and control dust hazards, which are a primary cause of pneumoconiosis. This includes regulations on ventilation, dust suppression techniques, and the provision of respiratory protective equipment. The Act also includes provisions for medical examination of miners and compensation for occupational diseases. The Factories Act, 1948, while addressing workplace safety, doesn't specifically target the unique hazards of mining that lead to pneumoconiosis. The Employees Compensation Act, 1923, deals with compensation for work-related injuries and diseases but doesn't have specific preventative measures for pneumoconiosis. The Employees Provident Funds and Miscellaneous Provisions Act, 1952, focuses on social security benefits and not on occupational health and safety.